Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we are working on a 2012 Volkswagen CC. We're going to change our breather valve right here. Some call it breather valve or oil separator. We're going to go ahead and change that. So first thing first, we want to squeeze this right here, both end, and wiggle it back. So as you can see right here, squeeze both end right here and wiggle it and bring it back. I'm just gonna let's leave it out the way for now, and then we gonna have one, two, three, four, five, 7 bolts that we need to take off, along with we might need to lift up two, or we need to unplug some coils. All right, so we unplug the coil. We're gonna pull them up. They're like tight. Hold on. So they're really tight down there. So let's pry them out with a little screwdriver. Got one out the way, two out the way. Down there look dry and nice, no oil leak. Also, the reason why I'm changing this, there's a vacuum leak coming from it, and also it's leaking oil. So that's why I'm changing it. So we have our new one right here. We have our new one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. This is what it looked like. This is the part number right here. So if you want to take a picture and go ahead and get it from that. So we have a T30 torque. That's what we're going to use. So we're going to just set our screws aside. I'm going to keep note of the screws. Make sure that they are the same size. And if they are not the same size, I don't mix them up. So far, all the screws I take out, they are the same size. So we have one more screw over here. So they are all the same size, so it doesn't matter if they get mixed up. Go ahead and lift this up. I'm sorry, we got more screws down there. So it's more than what I counted. They're all the same size. All right, we got it up. Just need to take this off right here. So this is it. This is the old one. This is the new one. So I'm going to clean around the edge, make sure everything is nice and clean, make sure nothing dropped down in the engine. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and install the new one. Slide this back in here. Slide this down in here. And then we're gonna, before we tighten up anything, we're gonna catch all the screws first. So after you do that, tighten up this and slide that in just like that. We're gonna slide on this right here, our coil pack. Now we can snap them in. It's all nice and tight, everything look good. Here's the spot you want to double check your work, make sure everything looking good. All right, so everything look good. This snapped in, this that, this back in, that's look good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start the vehicle and see if I hear that vacuum sound no more. So all is well, guys. No vacuum sound. This need a good engine wash because the oil cap was leaking, plus it was leaking oil from here. Also, it was leaking a vacuum from there too. So it is good. That's it, guys. Peace out. See you next time.